Hey guys, now that we have started off with verbal, let's move on to one of my favorite question types across verbal, maths, and DI, the parajumbles. Okay, so I would love to tell you all that there's a lot of theory behind this, and we could do chapters on this, but frankly, none of that is true. Parajumbles work out because of two reasons. A, you're a good reader, and two, you're a logical person. Okay, so the bulwark, right? The basic foundation behind doing well in parajumbles is practice, and that's what we'll do today. We'll talk about a few basic concepts, and then we'll move on to questions. Before that, a quick introduction. Hi, I'm Munira Lokhandwala, serial 100 percentiler in CAT, and I'm Calcutta alumna, 99 percentiler in GMAT, and I have a CAT verbal book published by Wiley available on Amazon. You can find me on Unacademy. Install the app from the Play Store. Go for the Plus Cat scores. Go for the subscription. Which subscription exactly to go for, we can discuss at the end of the session, but you can use my code Munira10 to get a 10% discount. So straight away, let's jump off. By now, I'm sure you all are used to our, line of lectures, the kind of content flow, right? So first, usually we start with a puzzle that I've given you all the last time. So great, you have 66 students registered in a ski class, not a ski class, skiing class. Okay. Now, in this question, there are of course some numbers here and there, but the biggest constraint comes from this: at least 66 students. That is what you need to focus on. Okay. So take care. You start with at least 66, after which 13 boys are added, 11 girls move out, and then they become equal. So before this, right, there were 11 more girls and 13 less boys. So the gap before the equality was a gap of 24, right? I hope you can see that. Okay, 11 girls moved out, so the girls reduced by 11 and the guys increased by 13. So pehle the guys would have been x minus 13 and the girls would have been x plus 11. That's why when 11 move out and 13 come in and this becomes 0, they become equal. So the gap between them is 13 and 11, 24. So now it's very easy, guys. We'll just say this is the gap, 3 is the gap, 3 is 24. So our constant, our multiplier is 8. Total number of kids are 11 into 8, 88. So there 88 is more than 66, possible. In 1 and 2, the gap is of 1 unit. 1 unit corresponds to 24. Total is 3 units. 3 units correspond to 72. This also works. More than 66, more than 66. Here, the gap is 4. See, sometimes the gap itself will not divide 24, but here all gaps divide, okay? So, gap is 4. 4 corresponds to 24. Multiplier is 6. And the sum is 22. 22 6 are 132. Works. Gap is 6. Corresponds to 4. Aha, and now 16, right? 24 multiplier is 4 and 16 fours are 64, which is less than 66. So you see, guys, already you were thinking about 66 students as the constraint and this thing works out straight away. So 5 is to 11 is not possible. One final thing before we move out, guys, see, in such cases, the answer will work out because of two possible reasons. One, for example, as I said, if I have 9 is to 14, the gap is 5, right? And 24 में the multiplier itself will be a decimal. तो वो नहीं हो सकता ना, you can't cut up boys and girls. That's the point. So this is one reason why you'll eliminate an option. The other is that, it's an extreme option. So we spoke about extreme options in verbal also, but they work in maths as well, right? So in these host of options, you see, starting from the lowest is 5 by 11, and the highest is 9 by 13. So one of these guys will be the answer. And if you see, 5 by 11 is the answer, right? So great. Now let's move on to what we are waiting for, which is jumble paragraphs. Jumble paragraphs there has not been a single year in the CAT when you did not have jumble paragraphs. Okay. So RC and jumble paragraphs, these two are the constants. Maths may, your Number system, number of questions can waver. In DI, you may or may not have a line graph, but in verbal, you'll always have half verbal, at least reading comprehension, and at least 4 to 5 questions in jumble paragraphs, guys. So this topic, do not take it lightly. Please take it seriously, okay? So what are the question types that you will see in jumble paragraphs? So uh, the common type is this, that you have 4, 5, or 6 sentences and you have to arrange them to make a sensible, coherent paragraph. Okay? So you have to arrange. When we were kids, we used to arrange words to make a sentence, a coherent sentence. We didn't know coherent, right, at that point. But now we have to arrange sentences to form a coherent paragraph. Okay? So 4, 5, 6 sentences दिए गए हैं. You have to read all the sentences first and give them some order. This is the most common type. Then you have another type where a beginning and an end is given and beach ke sentences are jumbled up. These are easier because you already know you have to start with this or have to end with this. So these are easier. 2 is easier than 1. Then the third type is also quite easy. One sentence will not belong. You have to find that odd sentence. This we will do along with para summaries in the next session. Okay? And type in the answer is basically you don't have options for what can be the logical order. You have to make your own logical order and type that in. Okay? So type in the answer can come along with 2, can come along with 1. So these are your jumble paragraph types. Okay? Now, what is the Jadoo ki Chabi? This is it. If someone tells you that there are 10, 15 tricks to solving, no, these are the only things that you can do. And then, of course, I have not mentioned it, but let me just write it down in big, bold letters. Okay, you need to practice. And when I say practice, guys, when you're reading, you're practicing. So, guys, please read. I hope you all are doing the assignments I'm giving you all. Okay? 2 reading, chotu reading assignments in a day is keeping the bad MBA colleges away. Okay? Okay, great. So what are these 3 things I have spoken about, guys? What you need to do when you read the sentences is to look for links between sentences. ठीक है? So बोल दिया मैंने links. How do I look for links? You look for links by focusing on conjunctions at the beginning of the sentence. Sometimes you'll have a but, sometimes you'll have a yet, and although, right? Which means that you want something to counteract. And then more importantly, zyada you will find pronouns, right? So when you have a pronoun like such or this or it, please find out what it refers to and then you link it. So your links happen because of conjunctions and pronouns, right? And let me take this time to tell you कि proper noun के लिए आप हमेशा alert रहिए. Proper nouns usually come more in the beginning of the jumble paragraph than in the end. Because once you explain what something is, then only you will start using pronouns for that proper noun. So these are the things that you will look for, guys, right? So let us straight away jump to questions, and we'll start off with the easier type where you have a beginning and an end, and then you have to find the right order. So as usual, please pause, solve, okay, and then we'll do it together. Okay, so first of all, when I have any jumble paragraph, I first just read the beginning like this. So such microbes, researchers working, that is manufacturing segment. So and then I focus on these things, right? कि that is क्या है, ये such क्या है, right? So here I'll focus on this when I read कि ये कहाँ पे fix होगा. So if I start with C, right, and I read कि where is a prediction made? Is this a prediction? No. Is this a prediction? No. Right? So this is the prediction. So you have to start with C. You have to start with C, which means you can eliminate these 2 options, right? So scientists believe they will be able to create, and that's a prediction. That is the confident prediction of researchers who have managed to assemble very long strands. Now such microbes kahan hai? There are no microbes in one. Right now, if I see between these two options, A can come either after B or A can either. So B and A are coming together. Now I just need to focus on where D is going. Has been a neat trick employed. The technique, which technique? So D has to end, guys, because the technique is the neat trick here. Yeah. Okay, that is why your answer is option 2. It has to be C, B, A, D. Okay, great. Let's look at the second one. So some of these have come from actual articles, right? And these are all CAT 2009 parajumbles across a lot of slots. So wherever possible, I have given article links. You read those articles, it will only help your reading. Okay, so great. Yeah, why don't you solve the second one and pause the video? I'll just get the pen on. Okay. Montane forests are among the last global, right? There is these forests, 4 species, blah, this. So what is this? And these forests, matlab kaun se forest, right? So these forests would have to be this, no? So it has to start with B. Where there's only one option that's starting with B. And if you check, right? So these forests sustain a vast population through water security and fish diversity. The of the ghats are unique and display a high degree. And then examples are given, 4 species. There is thus every reason to view with deep concern. This, if implemented, what? The new project, if it is implemented, will submerge a vast portion of this. So it has to end with A. It has to start with B. There's only one option, right? Great. Let's look at the third one. Okay. Third one is pretty short to read, but it can be a little confusing. And this is a type in the answer, so you don't have options to think, right? Over the past decade, a number have acquired renewed virulence. Okay, these include, where is these? Others have also been found. And more importantly, it. ये it कहाँ पे है? D cannot end because D में it नहीं है. C can end, C में it है. B cannot end. So A and C have to go together. Chikungunya is a single disease and C talks about it and 6 also talks about it. So AC6 has to end. Now we are left with these include and others. So these matlab kya? A number of diseases. These include. So B has to start. And now we are left with D. Where will D go? D, I cannot have over the past decade. Others have also been found, right? So it has to be B, D. Others have also been found. And one of these others is chikungunya. Okay. So your BD link is clear. DA link is clear. Because chikungunya is one of them that has been in restricted geographic areas, right? So it has to be, your type in the answer will be B, D, A, and C. Right? Great. To solve this fourth one, I'll just take a water sip break. Now, again, when we start reading this, like the previous 3 exercises, its most important finding. Okay. And the first census, since then, compared to 1998, the number. So, since then means since when? Since the first census. So, BD is a link, guys. B and D have to come together. Now, if B and D are a link, we can eliminate second option only. Right? Now, the findings are relevant like the previous 3 exercises. And see, forget this, they're saying previous 3 ke last. So what was like the previous 3 exercises, guys? It was this exercise of 2005. So A has to start. So you are looking at A starting, BD together, only one option, AC, BD. And again, see, it's most important finding. Kiska most important finding? The last exercise, latest. So it is A, C, B, D, and then it ends with compared to 1998, the number of enterprises as well as jobs has grown. The number has grown. That's why it's singular, guys. Great. One last one with a beginning and an end, but type in the answer question. This is easy. This is, I would say, quite easy compared to the others that we have done. And it is a good question for type in the answer because there's a very clear flow. So, what if? And science fiction writers love to ask what if. So, ये दोनों तो शुरू में होंगे. But one thing usually missing is the how. And this is where they provided a compelling explanation of how. So, C has to end. George always answered to the latter. Why can't it be an answer to the how? Because it was showing the apparently perfect control society. They, who is they? They is the super intelligent alien race. So the logic would be right. They love to ask what if. So first you have A because Orwell has to follow B. A, B, D. And then you have C. And finally you say conclude with this that the how also these guys have tried to answer. So it is A, B, D and C. Right? Great. Now we move to slightly more difficult jumble paras where you don't have an end. You just have the beginning. Okay. So great. Let's start off with the sixth one. A major task for the planner is to decide which resources are vital and then to discover the size of the available stock. It was specifically designed. This stock taking. So discover the size of the available stock. This stock taking. D has to begin. Right? Has been considerably aided, and this aid there was a major step forward by the launching of Earth Resource satellite. So it has to be DB. It was specifically designed. What was specifically designed? This satellite, right? So DBE, BE is a very clear link. Now we need to decide between C and A. There's a lot of things that come up, is particularly valuable, right? And have supplied new tools, but there is still a great deal of work to be done. So it has to be D, B, C and A. A has to conclude. You cannot say there's still a great deal of work to be done and say, oh, this so much is still happening. A has to conclude कि इतना सब हुआ है, but there's still a lot of work to be done, right? Great. Seventh, you don't have to look for the options. I mean, you don't have to type in the answer. The options are already given. There are many ways in which we must be prepared to make readjustments in our lives. It will depend a great deal. What will depend? The more volatile personality, a phlegmatic personality. So CA का तो link है ही. See guys, I'm straight away solving, but I'm hoping that please you all are pausing. Right? Otherwise I'll straight away start solving and you'll be like, what is happening? You have to pause, solve it yourself, then unpause and continue. Okay? So yeah, C and A is a clear link. Can we eliminate any option? Only option 4. A phlegmatic personality, the more volatile personality. Right? We must be prepared to make readjustments. And what is readjustment? So D is defining that. Right? Then the case who wins spends and returns is one of a double readjustment. Then you have a pronoun will adjust his behavior accordingly, whether he is able to make the necessary mental change. So B has to come before all these other, right? These other sentences that use pronouns. So you will start off with D because D gives the definition. Then there will be B because B talks about the lottery winner, जहाँ पे pronoun पहली दफा his का pronoun आता है, right? And we know that CA is a link, and EA says it depends on the personality, and then B and A explains that, right? So sorry, not DNA, C and A explains that. So it should be D, B, E, right? Where it says it depends on the personality. Phlegmatic personality ye hoga, volatile personality ye hoga. So, right, this could easily be a type and the answer, there's a very clear order here. Okay. So, answer is option 1. Great. Let's look at the 8th question. Nowadays, television, oh, television, my favorite topic. We should all watch less television. Television is a disease, is what I, tell kids to repeat after me. Okay, so nowadays television plays a much bigger part than it used to, right? Um, of course, it is not a wholly negative. So पहले तो हमें बताना पड़ेगा कि it is negative. Okay, तो यहाँ पे भी show it is negative. And A के बाद, you will have E. Correct? So it is not negative. It is also help widen our horizons. तो AE का लिंक है, तो AE का लिंक तो सब जगह है, पर AE का लिंक शुरू में नहीं हो सकता. First we need the negative to come up, right? Now between 1 and 2, too much viewing affects not only children on a motivational, not only. It is very easy for any of us. So B or D का link है, right? So your answer is option 2. Okay, you start off by saying place than it used to. C, children, right? But you say कि quality से सिर्फ children ही affect नहीं होते. D, it is easy for any one of us. Then you say कि what is not completely negative. It can also help widen our horizons. So again, this was not that difficult, guys, right? Now we'll move on to sentences without any beginning and end, and you have to find the order. They are slightly more difficult. We'll start off with 5 sentences, and then we'll move on to 4 sentences. So Europe, right? Yeah. So we can easily see, guys, where it's going to begin from. I hope we can see that, right? And there is a good clue here. It is not because Europeans will suddenly flock to the net, but the net will come to the Europeans, right? So what is going to start off? E is going to start off. Sometimes in the next 5 years, Europe will become, so ye gaya or ye gaya. Right? And you can see, it's not because Europeans will suddenly flock to the net, right? Then you have to, it's very tempting to say it is A, E, C, A, right? But then B बीच में लटक जाता है, B and D. So long as local phones, Europe will lag in connected PCs. B is actually explaining C, guys. So it's not because Europeans will suddenly flock to the net. No, Europeans will lag behind. Then you explain the net will come to the Europeans. So it has to be E, right? Then you're saying C, and C ka explanation is B, and then A, and finally D. You're looking at the 4th option. So this is slightly tricky because it's very convenient for us to say that CA is a link. But yeah, if CA is a link, where will B go? That is a question. B can only come after C because B explains C. Okay. So between 3rd and 4th, the right answer is the 4th option. This is not difficult at all. So in 2000, who's he? You have to find out that first. Feels a lot. What does he feel? We don't know. What does business have to do? His and Xander. So he has to be the start, right? Because it's explaining what does business have to do with music. And your answer is that Xander feels a lot. Okay. Now, if you read E, so ये सब you have to be careful, guys, and type in the answer, right? पूरा अच्छे से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. There's no, magic pill के शुरू का देख देख के you'll get an answer. On their ears, whose ears? The ears of executives. So you should have E following D because executives के कान पे, right? And executives are here. And then finally concluding that he will publish his first book. Right? Great. Let's look at the next 5 sentences one. Not a very difficult, maybe a little tricky. Please pause, guys, solve first. Okay, not unusual in this, surely. Click Mango, they include recent events. So you see that recent events have to start, right? Have not been encouraging. So what has not been? Some recent events, and they include. Ab they kya hoga? It can't be Click Mango. It can't be Click Mango. It can't be A. So E has to follow C. Okay, recent events they include, right? And now you are introducing Click Mango in D. So D has to come before B and A. Then you say B, and then you conclude that there's nothing unusual in this. Surely A cannot come anywhere else, guys. Right? So in this, you're talking about a single event. Single event comes only in this context. Otherwise, यहाँ पे तो recent events है. यहाँ पे you are just giving an example. This is where you're talking about a particular single event. So A has to follow B. Right? Great. Let's look at the 12th one. Oof, this is ugly. Okay. Manpower planning is concerned with the future effects of employment decisions made today. That is not to say, this is partly because, what is this? However, right? So how will you put in the however? It's tempting to say that E follows A, but thankfully there is no option where E follows A. Okay, so that connection is not there. Is concerned future effects of employment decisions made today. And why is it concerned? This is partly because, so you see, C explains A. Developing effective managers and therefore decisions about future needs have to be made in advance. So C has to follow A. Of course, A has to begin, right? I hope there's no confusion there. Manpower is concerned with a certain things, not to say such decisions. This is partly because D is just an example, E is however. So A has to begin. And A is explained further by C. So it has to be A and C. So we can eliminate these two options. Right? Now, D is an example. Ceasing apprentice recruitment or making apprentice redundant may save money in the short term but be very costly in the future. Now, where are decisions made? Decisions are made here. So DB का भी link है. Of course, ये दोनों जगह पे है, दोनों option में DB का link है, right? So now we go on to the placement of E. Will E come in the middle? E come in the end? So, however, is also concerned with the more. So, you are saying about need to be made in advance of the actual requirements, but there is a subtle analysis of the long-term effects. And here you can see that this also talks about future cost and long-term effects. So, E has to come before, and then D and B gives an example and explain it further, right? So, your answer is A, C, E, D, B. Yes? Slightly tricky, guys. Thankfully, there is no AE link. Otherwise, there is a good chance that some of us may get this right. Sorry, wrong. Okay, but it has to be A, C, and E. C explains A, and then E brings in a counterpoint, right? Great. Now we look at 4 sentences. This is from Time magazine. It would be nice if you go and read an article about it, right? So, A says but, ये शुरू नहीं करेगा, right? यहाँ पे you have Chung Chui Ping. You don't know who she is. This is where the stocky, uneducated woman. So B has to start because you are talking, you are giving a definition of the woman first. Then you are saying for 13 years where you give the name. Once the name is given, you can start talking in terms of she. So it is D. And finally, during lunch hours, even if she is doing it, but to many, she is a veritable goddess. So your answer has to be B, C, D, A. And it's not difficult, it is a very clear order here. I hope it's understood why B has to come first, because here the woman is introduced, even if she's not given a name. Yahan pe if I start first, right, and then I say, but the stocky, it won't make sense. This woman is Shang Shui Ping, right? So then it has to be B, C, D. C and D have to go together because for 13 years she's selling clothes and during lunch hours she's doing this. So C and D has to go together. And the but is in counterpoint. So B ke baad A nahi ho sakta. A has to come after you're saying that she does something mundane, which C and D do. So CDA link is clear. Mostly the placement of B is the trick. B has to start, right? 14th. With an extra large rate hike, economists are watching, right? And they are poring over the wrong place. To butcher a Bob Dylan lyric, the answer is blowing. So this is the wrong place and this is the answer. So DC ka link is very clear. And 3 options have DC link, so you can eliminate option 2. Now we should see about where DC will go. Okay. Economists for clues are watching to see, and they're looking for clues. So it has to be BDC, guys. Right? It has to be BDC and pull off some delicate maneuvering. BDC, thankfully, एक ही option में है. So A can begin with a proper noun. And then you say they're watching the market, looking in the wrong place. The answer is in the stock market. Right? Great. Last question, guys. The rather fanciful idea of Lady Luck. Introduction, proper noun. B has to begin. B is beginning. If you see all options, B is beginning. So that is done. B is there everywhere. Then you say she. And nowhere else beach mein you can, iske baad you can't put she. Iske baad you can't put she, right? So it has to be BD. Also, if you see, A is a conclusion for C. We're trying to guess what would happen, right? In fact, trying to calculate an element of chance. So it should be CA. And there's only one option, it's the second option. So great, I hope you all had a good time with Jumble Paras today. I know I'm a weirdo to like them, but I'm sure you like them too. Just keep reading, right? Before I move away, one puzzle for next lecture. You have 100 light bulbs lined up in a row. Each bulb has its own switch and is currently switched off. In the beginning, all bulbs are switched off. First person comes in and he toggles. So switch ko band hai to khulta hai, right? And all of them become on. Person number 2 enters and switches all of them off. Flips the switch on every second bulb. Okay. So whenever you flip the switch, जो on होता है वो off हो जाता है. And person 3 again does the same. This continues till all persons have passed the room. What is the final state of bulb number 64? You have to find out. And how many light bulbs are illuminated after the 100 person has passed through the room. Right? For your reading assignment, I'm giving out something that's for the part of your Jumble Paras, guys. Please go ahead and read this. It's a very right length for your cat. I will see you all soon. We'll get back to mathematics tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock with interest and percentages. And of course, you'll see me on Saturday for a doubt solving session on CAT where you can ask me anything. You can also find me on Unacademy. Guys, please subscribe. They have amazing content and great educators along with live doubt solving sessions. With subscription to go for, if you're focused on CAT 2020, you can go for the 6-month or 12-month subscription. If you're confused between 20 and 21, then you may go for the 24-month subscription. You can use my code Munira10 to get a 10% discount, right? So great. I enjoyed today's session. I hope you all did too. See you again tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye-bye.